Are you struggling with studying for your exam? And are you planning to take tests on safeexambrowser? Ever wondered how it works and is it possible to cheat on safeexambrowser? Safeexambrowser is a specialized web browser designed to ensure the integrity and security of online exams. It works by restricting access to unauthorized resources and functions on the computer while the exam is in progress. SEB prevents students from opening other applications or websites that could potentially aid them during the proctored exams. So the question arises, if safeexambrowser creates such a protected environment, then how it is possible to cheat on safeexambrowser? With technology advancing, the methods for bypassing these proctoring software systems are also evolving. In the past, conventional methods like using tiny notes during exams or hiding phones for assistance were common. However, as proctoring software updates its surveillance systems, these methods are becoming less effective. So now we are going to discuss which method is best to cheat on safeexambrowser in 2025 without being caught. The method that can be used to bypass the safeexambrowser is technical expert method. In this method, a custom software is installed in test taker's device to remotely connect with it and hence take the test. But for this to work properly, help of technical expert is required who can help in the exam to pass with flying colors. So if you are tired of preparing for the exam, you can take the help of technical expertise and exam help by contacting @ExamArcher by filling the help request form given in the video description. So now let's discuss some frequently asked questions about safeexambrowser. Can safeexambrowser detect cheating? If the technical expert method is used to bypass the safeexambrowser, it's 100% safe and undetectable because the custom software installed cannot be detected by any proctoring software. Can safeexambrowser detect TeamViewer? Safeexambrowser has some built-in functionality to detect these type of software. Such software that can be used to share screen can be closed down by proctoring software before proceeding to the actual test. But the custom software used in the technical expert method cannot be detected by the proctoring software. How to get help and test proctored on safeexambrowser. If you are struggling with the test that is proctored on safeexambrowser and want to try the technical expert method to ace your exam, you can fill the exam help request form given in the description to get help. Thanks for watching.